I feel compelled to say something about the exit of the U17 Reggae Boyz from the World Cup qualifying tournament in Guatemala. Beaten by the host nation at the round of 16 stage. Yet another age group team sent into World Cup qualifying battle, underprepared and underexposed, with the inevitable result of elimination. It's like a playbook for failure. A hurriedly appointed coach, a big pool of players 1 month before the tournament, cut the squad 2 weeks before the tournament, play a couple of practice games and feel that is good enough to qualify a team for the World Cup. This is cruelty to another talented group of Jamaican youngsters that, if they were better prepared, had a very good chance of making it to the World Cup. Not even Manning Cup teams prepare for 2 weeks or 1 month. This is an age group competition, so we could arrange weekend camps 1 or even 2 years before the qualifying. In the month before the tournament, fine-tuning and warm-up games. The side's supposed to settle and focus. What the JFF continues to pass off as preparation is a joke. Yes, and this is no joke.